Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Robinhood Credit Card app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Robinhood Credit Card app is designed to help users manage their Robinhood credit card directly from their phone. Integrated into the Robinhood ecosystem, the app allows you to track real-time transactions, redeem rewards, adjust card settings, and monitor spending habits. It's available on both iOS and Android and works seamlessly if you already use Robinhood for investing or cash management. The app's main features include instant transaction notifications, spending insights, card controls such as freezing or unfreezing the card, and reward tracking. Users can redeem cashback rewards and view detailed activity logs in a clean, organized interface. The integration with Robinhood also makes financial management more centralized for existing users. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its fast notifications, simple interface, and smooth connection with their existing Robinhood accounts. The reward system is easy to track, and the security controls give users confidence in managing their card digitally. For those who prefer app-based credit card management, it provides a streamlined experience. However, there are some drawbacks. The card's reward options may feel limited for some users, and those who don't already use Robinhood may not find the ecosystem integration as beneficial. In addition, the app focuses more on simplicity than advanced budgeting tools, which may be a downside for users seeking deeper financial analytics. In summary, the Robinhood Credit Card app may be worth using if you want quick transaction tracking, simple reward management, strong card controls, and already use Robinhood for investing or finances. However, if you prefer detailed budgeting tools or broader reward options, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.